Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cruise control stalk on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. This will also work on a lot of other French models as well, so stay tuned. So basically what's happening is when I put the speed limiter on or the cruise control, if I try and go up, it won't let me go up at all. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to get under the steering column. Under here there are two T15 screws, so we're going to undo those. It's one. So once we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is just unclip this. It's really easy, it just comes off. They're just on clips like that, and then what should happen is now you should be able to just kind of pry this open, and the whole thing kind of comes off really easily. So what you want to do with this is kind of wiggle it over the barrel, and then it should start to undo like this. And then once you got the back off, it kind of just spins, and then you can drop it. So just remember that you kind of lift and spin it like that. Right, so now the cowling's off, it's just going to be a case of you just literally just wiggle it out. It comes out so easy, and there you have it. I'm now just going to compare it to the new one, and they're exactly the same. So just before I fit this, I wanted to show you the difference. Obviously the bottom one here is the worn out one, and these are the buttons. These just feel so much more easy to press than the other ones. So it's just completely worn out. So yeah, I'm now going to transfer the cowling over from the old one onto the new one, and then we'll just slide it in. So to get this old cowling off, it's just a case of you just kind of just raise it over the edges here. See? To get over that notch, and the same again here. I don't know why they didn't include this on the replacement. Oh, and that's it, it's come off. And literally to put it on, it's just clip it in like that. And there we have it. So now we're going to go around back to here. If you remember, before I do put this on, it's worth noting, come loose from factory, the connectors that slide in. It was on the new one and it's on this one as well, so don't be afraid that it's broken. It's not, it's just how they are. So now all we're going to do is slide it in. So the knack is, to get this in, is what you do is you line the end up like that, so it slides into like this track, and then once the track's in, you just push it until it clips. Now I'm going to see if there's any way I can test this before I put all this cowling back on. So all you do is you flip it down to your speed limiter, which is on the back here, it'll focus, slide that down, that'll then change it to there, and then look, I can now move my speed limiter up and down, no problem at all, where before it wouldn't even engage. So yeah, we've cracked it. So now let's fit everything back together in reverse. So the knack to refitting this is go over the barrel first at this kind of an angle. I'll try and do this one-handed, and then once you've got it kind of there, you kind of just do that, it kind of just clips in, and then obviously make sure that it's where it's supposed to be. And now we're going to start putting the screws back in once I fit the top section, and hopefully that should be it. So once you've held that in place, what you do is you clip this into this, just take your time with it so there's no gap. That will then hold this to this, then you just put your two screws back in, and the final bit is just clipping this back in like that, and that's it, job done, and all working again. So super pleased with that. A great success. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.